Unravel the mysteries of the internet, the pulsating heart of our digital age. The internet is a colossal network of computers, linked by an intricate web of cables, including those that lie beneath the ocean's surface. These computers converse using a common language, the TCP/IP protocols. When you crave a digital destination, your device dispatches a request through this maze to the server hosting your desired website. This exchange is fragmented into tiny data parcels that zip across the network. These data parcels are guided through a multitude of routers, selecting the quickest paths courtesy of the Internet Protocol. Each device online carries a unique IP address, the digital homing beacon for these data parcels. Web servers are the unsung heroes, safeguarding and delivering website content. When the data parcels reach their destination, the server reciprocates by dispatching the requested web page back to your device, unveiling the content you sought. Internet service providers, or ISPs, are your digital gatekeepers, linking your personal or professional space to this worldwide network, and ensuring the smooth flow of data across the globe. So, in its essence, the internet is a testament to human ingenuity, turning raw data into accessible wisdom and global communication, all at the mere click of a button.